Let me present the development of a game-based group therapy program on self-esteem of grandchildren of living with rural grandparents. Contents. The first, introduction. The second, methods. Third, results. The last, discussion and conclusion. First of all, introduction. The grandparent-grandchildren family refers to the family in which grandparents raised grandchildren. The increasing rate of the divorce and double-income families might continue to lead to the increase in the number of grandparent-grandchild families in order for more stable raising of children. And they experience poverty, abuse, and negligence, and serious behavioral problems resulting from sense of loss, fear, anxiety, and anger. The grandchildren raised by grandparents would experience trauma owing to the change in the family structure, and thus definitely need immediately intervention. Then, the therapy programs should intervene with necessary social skills. They can help them maintain desirable peer relationship and alleviate their emotional behavior and social problems. The game-based group play therapy can help children freely express their opinions with the group. Thus, the current research aims to perform game-based group therapy to those grandchildren in the lower grades of elementary school raised by grandparents in the rural area and identify the effect of the program on their self-esteem and peer relationship. Next, the methods. The subjects are 12 first and second graders as elementary school student. Procedure. The period of the study performed from January 9th, 2019 to March 6th, 2019. A total of 9 sessions, each being 60 minutes, were performed at the special care class. We used the scale Rosenberg self-esteem scale. This scale consists of 10 items. Data analysis. The corrected data were analyzed by Wilcoxon signed rank test by SPSS 23 version. Result. The first of all, homogeneity between the experiment group and the control group. The homogeneity of the two groups were secured, since the numbers of the two groups showed a similar level of self-esteem before the therapy program proceeded. You can see that table 1, the homogeneity between the two groups at the protest. The experimental group, 12 members, and control group, 12 members. The mean length, 12.79, the 12.21. The z point minus that 203. It is not significant, so it is homogeneity between the two groups at the pretest. Next, the the effect of the game-based play program on the self-esteem of the grandchildren raised by grandparents. The research was also found that the pre and the post-test of the peer relationship of the experimental group was statistically significant at the level of p.01. You can see table 2 effect of pre post-test of the self-esteem. Z point minus 3.07. So it was statistically significant. The last discussion and conclusions. The game-based group play therapy exerted a positive impact on the self-esteem of the experimental group. It seems necessary that help and support be also given to the grandparents as well as grandchildren raised by grandparents. And that such help should involve psychological and emotional support as well as financial support. These grandparents should be supported and educated in order to let them be able to support grandchildren and to understand the grandchildren's emotion and behavior. The present research recognizes various limitations in terms of every aspect of research projects, and thus it is not easy to generalize the findings to all such family types. Thank you.